Are you looking for a way to manage your online courses more efficiently? Well, you're in the right place because today we're going to break down how to use SuiteDash for online course management. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how SuiteDash can streamline your course administration, but we'll also highlight some competitors that might serve your needs even better. SuiteDash does offer a robust platform for online course management, but it's not without its quirks. Let's start with how to set up and manage your courses. The first thing you'll notice when you dive in is SuiteDash's centralized dashboard. From here, you can easily access all your tools, including course creation, client communication, and progress tracking. You can create courses by adding modules, lessons, and quizzes, with the option to set up paid access through their billing system. Pretty standard, but a lot of flexibility for what you get. Next, SuiteDash offers a client portal. This is where your students will access their courses. You can create personalized dashboards for them, track their progress, and allow them to interact with your content. However, while this is great for basic course management, the user interface feels a bit outdated compared to some competitors, which might make it harder for your students to navigate seamlessly. The third thing I want to highlight is SuiteDash's integration capabilities. You can connect your SuiteDash account to a variety of tools like email marketing systems, CRMs, and payment gateways, making it a more holistic option for managing your business. However, it's not the most intuitive platform for these integrations, and it can take a bit of time to get everything working smoothly. Some users find the learning curve with these connections steep. Next thing, let's talk about automating tasks. One feature that's especially useful for course creators is SuiteDash's ability to automate workflows, like sending automated emails after a student enrolls or completing a lesson. You can also automate appointment scheduling, invoicing, and even follow-ups. But again, while it's functional, it's not as streamlined as you might find with other platforms. If automation is your priority, there are smoother options out there. The fourth thing to mention is support. SuiteDash offers multiple ways to get help, including tutorials, a knowledge base, and email support. But the response time can sometimes be slower than you'd like, especially if you're dealing with complex issues. And finally, pricing. SuiteDash can be an affordable option for those who just need basic course management features, but if you want to unlock more advanced functionalities, it can get pricey. When compared to other platforms, it might not give you the most value for what you're paying, especially when you factor in the learning curve and occasional bugs. But here's the thing, SuiteDash is just one option. If your goal is a smoother, more user-friendly experience for online course management, there are some excellent alternatives out there. These competitors offer better features for specific needs, like easier course creation or more intuitive student interfaces. And they also come with free trials, so you can test them out risk-free. Now, before we wrap up, I want to mention that through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial to SuiteDash. But also remember, I've included a list of top competitors with free trials that might serve your course management needs even better. These alternatives are more streamlined and might save you time and frustration in the long run. So, click that link in the description to unlock the best free trial and exclusive benefits, and check out those amazing alternatives that could take your online course management to the next level.